What's that on the side of the railroad track? It's an old tie abandoned. I wonder how heavy that is. First of all, where is it and how heavy is it? I'll give you some more clues. Recognize that building? Recognize that complex? We're on that same trail. More power lines. Okay, how heavy is that piece of iron? Okay. It's iron, or isn't it? Or steel. Oh yeah, look at that. Check out that sound. Okay, let's get you a look at the cross section. It's so heavy I can't even lift it. Oh, and I measured it to be 39 feet long. He and I managed to budget a little bit. But what's this? A simple machine. Oh, what's this? Look, sir, droids. Okay, I got it moving. See what a little bit of mechanical advantage can do for you. Cracks. Fulcrum's maybe around there. And here we go. 240-pound man lifting something that I think may be in excess of a ton. Simple machines. Here's the problem though. How do I get it propped up so I can look at that end? Think about that for a while. Okay, got it propped up. Okay, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up. Okay, this is what you've been waiting for, people, the cross section. Okay, I'll give you a few measures from it. Now that you got the idea of the shape, it reads here. See the shape? I'll give you a couple dimensions. Looks like that's 5.5 inches tall, because normally these things rest with this thing on top. Okay, 5.5 inches tall. The base looks like just a tad over 5 inches, 5.1/8 inches. The top, 2.5 inches, maybe 2 5/8. Okay, should be able to sketch that, come up with the idea of the cross-sectional area. That makes a big difference. Let's check the overall length. Now, what would I rather have at home? That train turd or the whole iron rod? Would the railroad miss it? Oh, I don't know. It's kind of an eyesore right now. And it looks a little bent. Let's check that length. Here we go. 39 feet should be about 13 paces. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, look at this. We didn't have to prop it up. We could have just used this end. Oh, well. You live to learn, people. Let's check that distance again with the tape measure. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm getting some kind of printing underneath the spray paint. Something that says OH 920 Illinois. Well, we better move this to Illinois. And look at that binary. DDD. Oh my gosh. It's 1 and 2 and 4 and 8 and 16 and 32. That adds up to 63. And here we go, 1925 USA. Well, at least made in good old US of A. There we go, 22 feet to the 1 there in 1925. Now let's measure the other way. So it's at least 22 feet long. There we go, and it looks like from the other direction to that same spot, we're getting 17 feet. So sure enough, it was 39 feet long. My other measurement there has been off because I was slipping. Pacing doesn't work so good if you're slipping through mud. Well, there you have it, people. But this is one time, I gotta admit, I can't do this myself. And maybe you should just stay here. Maybe the railroad is using this as some sort of erosion control. I don't think so. I think the weeds do a much better job. So do they leave it here for us? We'll see. Flange out on this project.